Hadley, what day is today?
National Cheese Doodle Day.
Yeah, National Cheese Doodle Day. It's Cheeto Day.
Cheeto Day.
Today we're going to draw a piece of cheese with some cute mice.
Aww.
Does that sound like fun? Mm-hmm. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker and some
paper.
Some paper. Ready to start?
Yeah.
Now we're first going to start by drawing our cheese right in the middle of our paper, and we're going to draw a rectangle first. We're going to draw a big letter L. So I'm going to draw a line down and then over. Yeah, that's a good spot. Nice, and then over. Now we're going to draw the top of our rectangle, and we're going to connect the top by drawing an upside down L, so a line across.
And now it looks like a square.
A rectangle.
Or, yeah, a rectangle.
Yes, there we go. Rectangles are long usually, and squares are even on each side. All right, now we're going to draw the top of our cheese. We're going to draw a triangle. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up like this, and then
Back
down. And one side is longer than the other. Is that cool? Mm-hmm. It already looks like a wedge of cheese.
Wedge.
Wedge of cheese. Wedgie cheese.
Wedgie cheese.
All right, cool. Now we need a funny face for our cheese, don't you think?
Yes.
Okay. Let's draw two circles. I'm going to draw them about this size, and I'm going to leave some space in between so we can draw a mouth too. There we go.
Mine's little cheese.
Little cheese face. And then inside, let's draw smaller circles. I'm going to draw a small circle in the top right. Now let's draw a smaller circle down here in the bottom left. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave these two circles white.
Okay.
Now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a straight line in between the eyes. Yeah. And then I'm going to draw a U shape. Yeah. And then inside we could draw the tongue. And then I'm going to color in the top part. I like your mustache.
And eyelashes.
Well, okay, that makes sense. All right. Anyways, let's draw holes in our cheese.
Yay, holes.
Holes. So we're going to draw, I'm going to draw little curves like this on the side of the cheese. And we can also draw circles, so smaller circles also, and mix up the shapes. So there we go. We got half circles and full circles to create Swiss cheese.
Swishy cheese.
Swissy cheese. Okay, now what's our cheese missing?
The mice.
Yeah, the two mice. We're going to draw a big head poking out on the side of our cheese over here. So we could draw not a full circle, but a half circle. Now maybe half of your mouse head is behind the cheese, right? And I've got more of my mouse head showing. And that's okay, right?
Yes.
So now we're going to draw the ears to our mouse head. So I'm going to draw one, and it's a smaller half circle. And you could draw it right here so it looks like it's behind the cheese too. And we're using overlapping, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Now we're going to draw another ear over here, and this one's going to be of almost a full circle.
That looks like a mouse.
Yeah, two big ears. Good job. Now I'm going to draw the eyes, and I'm just going to draw really small eyes. Two circles. And then if we want, we can color it in, but I'm going to leave a little white spot, just like we did for the cheese eyes. And that makes his eyes look shiny.
Her eyes.
Oh, her eyes with eyelashes. Okay, now I'm going to draw a little mouth. Also, just a little line. Or a U shape. It's a happy mouse. Now, inside of the ears, let's actually add another half circle. Comes around.
My mouse is like, I got cheese.
I got cheese. Is happy.
And then your mouse is like, I got cheese.
I got cheese. So this is the inside of our ears. And now we need to draw the little mouse tail coming out too. So I'm going to draw a curvy S line that comes out like that. Cool. Now, if we want, we could also make it the tail look thicker by drawing another line right next to it. Should we draw little mouse hands hanging onto the cheese?
Yes.
We could draw a sideways U shape or a backwards C. I'm going to draw one up top and one down below.
It looks like part of the cheese.
Yeah, it kind of does. But we'll color it gray so it looks more like the mouse
Yes.
part. Okay. Now let's draw another mouse, and we're going to repeat all the same steps, except let's draw them over here on top of the cheese.
Which is a boy.
Oh, this one could be a boy if you want. Yeah.
Boy and a girl.
Yeah, boy and a girl. You could use your imagination or your creativity, and you can change your drawings any way you want. They could both be girls if you want. Oh, it's almost a full circle. Well, that is a full circle.
His head's almost gonna fall.
It's gonna fall off the cheese. What do we do next on our mouse?
Ears.
Ears? Okay. I'm gonna draw another big ear here and another big ear over here. And we could also draw that. Let's draw the inside of our ears too. There we go. All right, what's the next step? Do you remember?
The eyes.
The eyes? Okay. So let's draw 2 small circles. Then I'm going to color them in and leave a little white spot inside. And I'm going to draw a happy one. This one's happy. Did you draw eyebrows on yours?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, now I'm going to add those little hands. I'm going to draw a little hand here on the side and on top. And we also need to draw the tail. So let's draw a little curvy line coming out. If we go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if we ever go too fast on a step, pause the video and you can take extra time to finish the step. Now let's make the tail thick. And we're going to draw that same line right next to it. Perfect. You know what? I'm going to draw this. I want my mouse to be happy.
I have cheese.
I'm going to add the U and the little tongue inside. What do you do? Oh, a little hair. He looks a little angry. All right, Hallie, we did it. We finished drawing our cheese and our mice.
Yes.
What do we need to do next?
Color it.
Color it. Yeah, let's fast forward this part, but at the end, you guys can pause the video to match the same color. Hallie, give me a clap. You did awesome on coloring your cheese and your mice. What was your favorite part?
Mustache.
The mustache. That's my favorite part too, I think.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your cheese and mice.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your cheese and mice with us. Now, do you know what the best part about Cheese Doodle Day is?
What?
Eating cheese doodles.
Me too.
Yeah, is that your favorite part too?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I love cheese doodles. I love it. You want to be the first one to eat it? You can't eat one. You gotta eat a handful.
Oh.
We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Oh, really? You shouldn't talk with your mouth full. If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.